Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do this eye look using the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette right here. This is actually my first time using it. These shades are very pigmented, and if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So I did my eyebrows, foundation, and contour already. If you want to see the video to my foundation and contour routine, the video will be linked down below. To start the eyes, I honestly don't know what colors I'm using from the Fenty Galaxy palette. I'm leaning more toward this orange shade right here. It's like an orange pinkish shade and a gold right here. So let's get started. To start off the eyes, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and I'm using the shade Morocco as my transition. So next I'm going in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking this hot pink right here, right under the orange. I'm going to go back into the Nubian 2 palette and use the shade Giselle, this dark purple right here. Next I'm going to cut my crease with the Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. So on the outer part of the concealer, I'm going to use this orange pink shade right here. The rest of my eyelid, I'm going to use this gold right here. Next I'm going to line under my eye. Under my eye, I'm going to use that purple from the Nubian 2 palette. Back in the gold shade and place more of that color under my eye. To highlight my face, I'm going in the Nubian 2 palette and using the shade Nairobi. For lips, I'm going to use this ColourPop lip liner called Delilah. Next, I'm going in with this nude NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Lastly, I'm going to top it off with my favorite MAC lip gloss in the shade Dash Loaf. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.